The following simple practice, when engaged consistently, shows us through personal experience that it is the garden of the heart from which all the fruits for joyful, healthy, and abundant life experience are seeded, cultivated, and harvested. It is also from within the garden of the heart that we consciously awaken to the experience of the conscious death that fruits eternal rebirth. By tending to the garden of the heart consistently each day, we experience the miraculous. It reveals to us what it really means to love and take care of ourselves, to stand by ourselves no matter what. To initiate this encounter with the heart, it is recommended we tend to our garden for a few minutes at the beginning and the end of each day, and also in the midst of any unexpected upset. This is how simple it is. We sit comfortably in a quiet place where we will not be interrupted. And if we truly seek to be authentic when entering this practice, we switch our cell phone off or in flight mode. Otherwise, we are just doing this because nothing else is currently stealing our attention. We recall an upset, whether it is something that happened recently or something currently festering within our physical, mental, and emotional experience. We drop the story and the details of the physical events surrounding it, and instead place our attention fully on how we feel about it. We seek out where we feel this discomfort within our body. Place our attention within this location and cradle it, while keeping the eyes of our heart upon the comfortable feeling within our body. We simultaneously keep our physical eyes open, and in a relaxed manner, we observe the world before us. We observe how the inner feeling moves and how, as it does, the outer world simultaneously increases in presence. When we stray off into the mental again, we gently bring our attention back into the inner feeling within our body, and simultaneously upon the presence of the outer world. We cradle this experience for as long as we feel necessary. Note, if we do not have an upset to consciously work with, we enter the practice by consciously placing our attention within the center of our chest and hold it there, following the earlier instructions until we feel complete. The practice of consistently placing our attention within the center of our chest is equally powerful in initiating the death experience that invites the blessing of rebirth within all unintegrated aspects of our life experience.